Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. Today, you all, we have another unboxing, and this is a Coach unboxing. So let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, so packaged well, so far so good. It is a nice size. It is a Coach Reloved bag. And this is a nice size drawstring bag. It has my receipt there. Let me go ahead and move this out of the way. Okay, y'all, so let's see what we got. And it looks like this will be attached to a hashtag. Can you see which hashtag it's going to include? This is going to be included with Denim December. And this is another beautiful backpack to add to my collection. So let's inspect it, y'all, and see how it looks. We be sure that it is fully in shot there, and it is. Yeah, this denim is so pretty. And if you all saw my preview to Denim December video, then you already know what this matches. And I will, of course, do a side-by-side with it as well. And this is let me see if it has a hang tag. I don't think so. Let me get the exact name from the receipt. I think it's a charter backpack, but I want to be sure. Let's see. Okay, it is a restored charter backpack and signature denim is what it is. So you all, I kind of went back and forth on if I wanted this in an actual backpack or if I wanted a tote or a Rogue for it. The Rogue that I did see, I believe it was a 25. I believe it was smaller. So with me already having the purse that matches this, I wanted a bigger bag. Kind of how I am. If you've seen my previous videos, I like having a tote to match my smaller bags or match my bags in general. Excuse me. So to me, this was as close to a tote that I could get to match it. So the straps are full leather on the top. That soft glove tan leather. Up under the back of the straps, it is the same mesh that matches the back of the backpack as well. It does have the Coach patch there. It does not have feet, but the leather continues across the bottom. Y'all, it is so soft. And this is the Coach hang tag. So I do notice it says Coach Leatherwear instead of Coach New York, which I was expecting it to. And this one actually has Coach on both sides, which is how I recall it, but I think they only do it on one side now to allow for space for customization on the other side of the hang tag. So we looked at the exterior pocket, the straps, the trim, more leather continuing on the outside of the bag. And let's take a look inside. And you see this very well made zipper as well. Okay, so this back compartment can easily be for a laptop. And I will include the measurements in the description or on the screen. So easily a laptop can fit back here. No other pockets or anything like that on the inside, but the compartment does go all the way to the bottom. And then this other compartment, the zipper's kind of hidden here, so the leather would kind of say that maybe it's like a hood or protective cover over the zipper. So if you do have it behind you, no one can easily unzip it without you knowing it. And this zipper is so close to your body that if you are wearing it on your back, you would know if someone's trying to unzip your backpack or not. So this one does have a double zipper, which I like. So this could easily be a light travel set as well. Okay, so the inside has a slip pocket that goes all the way to the bottom with the tan leather trim there across the top. It has a Coach, now this says Coach New York, mesh pocket, zipper pocket inside. And then 3 slip pockets here with a little narrow one in the center that could more than likely be for ink pens. So yeah, this is a nice size backpack. I'm loving the compartment choices that it has, or options here and this side, and then for this top compartment to just be fully open for you to put anything in here, and nothing will get in the way. If you do put a laptop, a mouse pad, or cords or anything like that in there, you would have plenty of room, and still room to put what you need in here as well. And this outside pocket also. So I am going to put the stuffing back in it and then do a side by side together with the bag that matches it. Yeah, you cannot easily get in that bag if you're not meant to go in inside of it. And I love how big the zippers are on this as well. If I recall, this particular backpack is from the men's line, so that may be why it seems so sturdy, I would say, and overly made, because to me the men's backpacks are more heavy duty, so to speak, or durable compared to how the women backpacks are made. So let me get the purse that matches this beauty. And this is the matching, or the other piece to the set, should I say. I think this is a very pretty set, y'all. Like, I can find a way to make this look even more dressy, but with this one itself, the denim, oop, and that's not even in the shot. Nobody told me. Let me be sure I get them both in here. Okay, I think I got them both in the shot. But I was saying how pretty this set was. And also with the rings on the zippers being a little bit larger than I expected, I may be able to hang a charm from it as well. And this, as I mentioned, this denim, signature denim Coach tabby, it is featured in my preview, or Denim December preview video, unboxing for it. Very detailed unboxing, and it shows how well wrapped it was. Very much detail paid to the wrapping, factory wrapping on that one. But the charm, I may need to get another one, y'all. So that way, if I want to hang a charm from the tabby, I can. And then also, let me see how it looks on the backpack. And that's a good way to secure the zippers too. If I wanted to hang the charm from there, let's see how that looks. I'm just curious now. That would probably, it would secure it, but it would definitely not make it easy if I was trying to get in it in a hurry. Okay, y'all, so that's a good way to secure your zippers on your backpack. You can actually just hang, connect your charm to your double zippers, and that will help secure it. I think that's cute. To either hang it there, I think to me it's better there versus hanging it down here on this zipper. Which you could go either way, because it's still not touching. It's not too low that it hangs below the backpack. But you all, that's it. This is a Denim December video of this beautiful Coach denim signature set. And I hope you all like it. Let me know if you have any denim pieces from this particular collection. Like I said, I know it came in a Rogue and I believe a field tote as well. And I'm not sure which other silhouettes it came in. But those are a couple that come to mind. And yeah, I can't think of any other. The field tote and the Rogue are the only two that come to mind at the moment. So, but let me know, you all. You all did definitely absolutely commented on this video to say how much you like the denim tabby, and I like it too. One comment that stood out, can't recall who it was, but they absolutely said that Coach does denim like nobody else, and that is true. So, another beautiful set, you all, to add to my collection, and then I look forward to carrying. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, and sharing, and commenting. I really do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a very, very wonderful day. And thank you so much for watching.